Cooper&Hunter is expanding its 24-volt communication lineup with greater compatibility and more solutions than ever before. Leading the lineup is the Cooper&Hunter PEAQ, our flagship 24-volt communication system and the trusted choice of contractors and technicians nationwide. Engineered for high-performance operation, it delivers reliable heating and temperatures as low as -22 degrees Fahrenheit and features up to 1.2 of static pressure. The new ALTO Series, featuring a compact side discharge design, advanced inverter technology, a heat pump, and exceptionally quiet operation. For cooling-only applications, the new Omni Series combines side discharge design with inverter technology for dependable, energy-efficient performance. To complete the system, Cooper&Hunter offers a full lineup of 24-volt communication indoor units, including stud-mount air handlers from 18,000 to 36,000 BTU, multi-position air handlers and A Coil units from 18,000 to 60,000 BTU. A Coil units are available in A, B, C, and D cabinet sizes. All can be paired seamlessly with our outdoor units, giving contractors maximum installation flexibility. For value-driven installations, our economical top discharge split system lineup includes cooling-only systems from 18,000 to 36,000 BTU when paired with our stud-mount air handlers, and 18,000 to 60,000 BTU when paired with our multi-position air handlers. Cooper&Hunter, delivering more choices, greater compatibility, and trusted performance for every installation.